Today we're gonna work on a very nice project. Hello, it's Mary here. Welcome to my channel.
Welcome.
In this channel we teach sewing, we give tips and tricks for sewers. Today we're gonna work on a very nice project. So without any further ado, let's get started.
This pattern I'm going to use is for kids and the number is in the description, as you can see. I'm gonna start with the pocket. There are two, like you can see. We're gonna serge the edges, the top edges. Now we are going to fold the top edges and sew from the two sides of each pocket.
Hey, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. I will be posting so many videos, so you don't want to miss any. So let's go back to the video.
And this is how it looks like. I'm just going to trim from the two sides of the pockets. Now we're gonna flip it and we're going to give it a good press on all around the edges of these pockets. This is the front part of the robe and it has a curve like you can see. So it's number 2 of the pattern pieces. Now I'm going to mark where the pockets will go and will attach the pockets. We are going to work on the third piece of the pattern, which is the back piece. We'll attach the back piece to the front two pieces from the shoulder seam. I will also serge the shoulder edges as well. That's how it should look like after I serged it. And now we're going to work on the sleeves. The sleeve has a front part and back part. I attach the back part to the back part and the front to the front. There is a notches on the pattern that you should follow if you're gonna use the same pattern. Now we're going to close the sleeves and the side of the robe, just so one line across, and you can serge the edges as well. Now we're going to work on the facing of the collar and the robe. It's one large piece. I found that I didn't have enough fabric, so I attached two pieces together. So I'm going to attach them and sew the edges together, so I will have one long strap. And here's my strap. So now we're going to attach it to the robe all around the front piece. I also went ahead and gave it a good press. Now we are going to work on the belt for the robe. So it's one folded pieces. We're going to open it and fold it into halves, and then we're going to sew across. When we sew the belt, we need to leave an opening so we can flip it inside out. And now I'm going to flip it inside out, and we give it a good press, and we should be done. And that's all for today. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, share it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.